నిజామాబాద్ దర్పల్లి మండల కేంద్రంలోని హంసవాహిని పాఠశాలలో అంతర్జాతీయ సైన్స్ డే వేడుకలను ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. పాఠశాలలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన శాస్త్రీయ విజ్ఞాన ప్రదర్శనకు తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీ ప్రొఫెసర్లు సంపత్ కుమార్, రాంబాబు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా పాల్గొన్నారు. మొదటగా ప్రఖ్యాత భౌతిక శాస్త్రవేత్త, నోబెల్ అవార్డు గ్రహీత సివి రామన్ చిత్రపటానికి పూలమాలలు అలంకరించి నివాళులర్పించారు. తదనంతరం విజ్ఞాన ప్రదర్శనను ప్రారంభించారు. సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమాలు వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుతూ విద్యార్థులలో నిగూఢమైన ప్రతిభను వెలికి తీయటానికి, వినూత్న ఆలోచనలను రేకెత్తించడంలో సైన్స్ పాత్ర ప్రధానమైనదని, జీవ పరిణామాల్లోనే పరిణామం అనేది సమస్త ప్రపంచ మానవాళి ఎదుగుదలకు నాంది అని అన్నారు. సైన్స్ అంటేనే సైన్స్ అని, ప్రయోగాత్మకంగా రుజువు ఫలితం ఆమోదయోగ్యమైతేనే అంగీకరించబడుతోందన్నారు. మూఢో నమ్మకాలు, సాంఘిక దురాచారాలు, అశాస్త్రీయత భావనలను రూపుమాపడంలో విద్యావంతుల పాత్ర కీలకమన్నారు. విద్యార్థులు ప్రదర్శించిన వివిధ సైన్స్ నమూనాలు, వినూత్న పరికరాలు, ప్రత్యేకించి వ్యవసాయ ఆధారిత పనిముట్లు, సాధనాలు ఎంతగానో ఆకర్షణీయంగా ఉన్నాయని తెలిపారు. రేపటి సమాజ నిర్మాణంలో భాగస్వాములైన నేటి బాలలను ఉత్తమంగా తీర్చిదిద్దుతున్న పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యంను ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులకు క్విజ్, చిత్రలేఖనం, ఉపన్యాసం మరియు వ్యాసరచన పోటీలు నిర్వహించారు. కార్యక్రమంలో తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీ ప్రొఫెసర్ సంపత్ కుమార్, రాంబాబు, పాఠశాల కరస్పాండెంట్ చక్రవర్తి, మాన్సింగ్, ఉపాధ్యాయులు రామకృష్ణ, శ్రీకాంత్, నవీన్ తదితర ఉపాధ్యాయ సిబ్బంది మరియు విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
We need plant the trees around the factories. The trees are absorbing the carbon dioxide to releasing the oxygen, and the vehicles also reason for the air pollution. We need avoid the petroleum vehicles, and we need use electrical vehicles.
In this project, we are explaining about wastewater management working model. How the water which got generated from the factory is wastewater. The first stage is big gravel. The water will move on to the second stage. It will purify some impurities. Third stage is coal. It attracts some dust particles. Fourth stage is sand. It also impures some more impurities. Fourth stage is tissue or cotton. We use cotton. That last here collected pure water. It will purify to the houses. It used for gardening and various purposes. I'm explaining about wastewater. I'm slogans telling a day without water is sad, so don't let it become your future. Keep it purest. Water is dearest. Think about solution of water pollution. Standard. I am telling about slogans. Clean water if you need water. Think if you pollute water, you pollute life. Polluting water is a sin. You are making your body dustbin.
Average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and ocean occurs due to greenhouse effects that causes climate change. Climate change is nowadays so many factories there in our surroundings. That factories release into the atmosphere and causes air pollution. That causes diseases to human activities. Ice is glaciers is melting to the rivers. The sea levels is increasing. Cyclones, floods is coming and disturbing our life. Deforestation nowadays so many members cutting down the plants and trees. Plants is very important to the our living things life. Cutting down the plants, elephants is die. Elephant also affecting. Plants is very important to the our. Stop the deforestation and stop the deforestation. Use the electricity bikes and cars. Forest fire. Summer is forest fire is very doing.
Pollution. We are using water for drinking, cultivating factories and all other living things. Farmer companies are releasing harmful wastage in drainages, rivers, ponds. That polluted air can be released into the atmosphere, and that is called acid rain.
My name is K. Dhanush. I am studying 9th standard.
My project name is water cycle. What is water cycle? The continuous water is within the earth and atmosphere. I explaining water. 4 stages are there in water cycle. First one evaporation, second one condensation, third one precipitation, fourth one collection. I am explaining 4 stages now. When the sun more hot, the surface of the earth water also very heat, the water will be evaporate to sky. This called evaporation. The water vapors are when reach to sky, the water vapors are form a cloud. Is called condensation. The clouds are changing one place to another place and changing increasing size and changing color also. When the cool air touch the cloud, the water will be release the cloud. The water droplets are not stay in the atmosphere, because that wise the water droplets are fall on the earth as a rain. Is called precipitation. The precipitation water collect in rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. Again the water will be evaporate and goes to reach the sky and goes to another place and reach fall in the rain, etc. Sir, thank you, sir.
This is Maitri from 8th standard. My project is nuclear power plant. The work of the nuclear power plant is produce electricity. The power plant uses a specific type of radioactive material. Usually the uranium-235 or plutonium-239 has fuel. The electric rich ion are split apart. Inside the nuclear reactor, ion condense a controlled chain reaction produce electricity. When a neutron strike a nucleus as fuel, these materials are rich in and including a prevent it from. Control rod made of a material like boron or cadmium are inserted into reactor. Excess neutron regulating the rate of the chime prevent it uncontrollable. Electric generator is fuel atom. A large amount of heat produced and a large amount is produced. This is converted water into steam. Thank you. All of you, my name is Vignashri. I am standard 7th class. Now I am explaining about advantage. The area of coverage is more than that residential system. Every corner of the earth can be covered. Transmission is post to challenging task. More bandwidth and broadcasting possibilities. Now I am explaining about disadvantages. Satellite communication. More free place, less is more. Satellite is helpful to not economically. Satellite is used to military applications and navigation. The propagation, believe to satellite system to more.
My name is Lakshmi Prasanna. I am studying in 8th class. I am telling about Chandrayaan-3 satellite. The Satish Dhyan Space Center in Sriharikota on July 14, 2023. The spacecraft smooth indicated landing universe orbit by August 5, 2023. The moon-weighted movement of achieved nearby South Pole in 23 August 2023. The missing objects of Chandrayaan-3. First, the democratic safe and soft landing on the moon. Second object, the democratic state roaming on the moon. Third, the democratic collecting all citizens scientific experiment. The moon sent to the Chandrayaan-3 moon sent to satellite. The moon is current ambitions around where the taking achieved nearby citizens. The collecting all citizens scientific data on SRO chairman name is the S. Somant Reddy. Thank you for one and all.
This is air pressure. This is day and night. This is house. This is night. This is day. This is water bottle for balloon. So this here come. This is house. This is house.
So, the journey of Hamsavahini and 9 years and entering into the 10th year. So, really it is a pain to the management for organizing, for maintaining a school, particularly getting the admissions and getting the good teachers and even students. If you get the good teachers, automatically students. The students are presenting very good science fair kit presentations. Mainly all are focusing related to the pollution, right? Deforestation, afforestation and different. They did, and most of them are their communication. They presented in English only. That is a very well sign for good education in this particular institution. So now 10th class students also going for their annual examinations. All the best to the 10th students for their exams. You did very excellent presentation in the examination also for 10th class students. So thank you Rajesh for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Management. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదమ్మా అంతా, మీకు ఒక మంత్రం చెప్తాము, ఆ మంత్రాన్ని మీరు ఫాలో కావాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు చాంటింగ్ దట్ మంత్ర. దట్ మంత్ర ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ALF. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్? రైట్. సో when you are studying, you will have a desire, I want to become a something, I want to become a doctor, lawyer or engineer and etc. etc. To become that, you should follow that mantra. What is that mantra? Is ALF. Suppose you want to become a doctor, right? So first you have to follow the mantra is A for ask. Ask. So to whom you have to ask? The person who is already become a doctor, you go to that person and you ask the suggestions, how should I become a doctor? So you have to ask. Without asking, nobody will give you any information. Then after ask, then what you should do, the next letter is called L. L for listen. So when you are asking and the expert is giving the suggestions to you, and you should be concentrate and you have to be listen what he is saying. Then automatically the expert will give you the guidelines, which books you have to read, which method you have to follow, what are the types of questions coming in the examination, something they will say. When they said, you have to be listen very carefully. After listening, what you have to do is you have to go for F. F is nothing but follow. So whatever the suggestions given by the expert, after listening, then you have to put into action, implementation. You have to follow that one. It's a simple example I will tell you. Now you want to go to Nizamabad, for example. Then first what you have to ask, how to go to Nizamabad. So some person says that you have to catch bus here and you have to go to Nizamabad. Then you have to listen. Otherwise, you cannot move into from the Darpali to Nizamabad. So when you listen that one, you have to catch the bus and you have to travel till Nizamabad. Then you will reach there or not. So that is the reason why you have to follow in every subject, in every aspect. At the same time, you have to feel yourself ALF. అండ్ వినాలి. విన్న తర్వాత దాన్ని మనం ఆచరించాలి. మీరందరూ ఇది ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నటువంటి పిల్లల కోసం నేను ఒక చిన్న ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చెప్తాను. మీరందరూ క్లాసులో శ్రద్ధగా వింటున్నారా పాఠాలు? షూరా? టెస్ట్ చేయాలా నేను? ఓకే, రైట్. విల్ డూ ఏ స్మాల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్, రైట్? All the students who are having your right hand, just you raise like this. All the students, right hand, all stretch as much as you can stretch. Chapandi ento chaptaru. Then your thumb and ring finger, you have to make a oval shape like this. Oval shape. Thumb tonu ring finger to itla oka oval shape cheyandi. Chesara? Student baga chesi ippudu slowగా come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Keep this oval on your chin. Chin అంటే ఏంటి? గడ్డం. చిన్న అంటే గడ్డం. ఇది చీక్. బుగ్గలే కదా? మరి నేను చిన్న అని చెప్తే మీరు అందరూ చీక్ మీద ఎందుకు పెట్టారు? మరి మీరు వింటున్నారా? మరి వింటే ఎందుకు చేశారు? మీరు చేసింది ఏంటంటే వినటం మానేసి నేనేం చేస్తున్నానో నా యాక్షన్ను మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు అంతే. నేను ఇక్కడ పెట్టే చిన్నని చీక్ మీద పెట్టినా కూడా మీరు అట్లానే చేస్తున్నారు. మరి క్లాస్లో మరి ఏం వింటున్నారు? మరి యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్నా కదమ్మా. వినాలి, లెర్న్ చదవాలి, ఆచరించాలి. మీరు మీ లైఫ్ ఇప్పటి నుంచే ఒక రోల్ మోడల్ని తయారు చేసుకోండి. నేను ఇలా కావాలి, ఇలా కావాలి అని. దాని